Welcome in part 2. In first part we created this, right? This one, Having Tranquility and Whispers of Serenity. This is instrumental, right? In first part we did that. Now in second part we are going to extend the length or the time of this music, right? You can see here the time is 32 seconds both, right? So if you want to extend it, make it a bit longer, right? So you have to just go here and extend, right? Click this one. Now from here you can also change it, right? But that will not give you a best version. You can add, just you can go here and you can add one or two things, right? But don't change whole these, right? Because the music that you created at the first 32 seconds and again the extended version is after 32 seconds the same music will continue with different format, right? Now you can see the most important thing here is you are seeing here extension placement, right? Add intro. If you click this one, if you select this one, then it will be added before the original music, right? This is the music and it will be added as an intro. And add section, it will be added in before, add section after, right? After 32 seconds anything will create from this point will be added after the 32 seconds, right? And add outro. Outro means ending, right? It will be added after 32 seconds, right? So select one. I'm going to select add section after. I don't want to do outro right now, right? And go down, and we are doing instrumental in this first part and second part, so choose instrumental and just click extend, right? Just click extend and you can see here two extended version will be loaded here after successful generation or creation. And in the meantime I want you to say something at this part, lyrics, right? Write your own lyrics and create a song, right? That we'll see in next part 3. Okay, and you are seeing the title here, Having Tranquility Extended version 1, Having Tranquility Extended version 2, right? Let's wait few seconds. Now it is created. Now see the timing, right? 1 minute 05, right? 1 minute 05. Now you can listen it after 32 seconds, 29, 30. See, after 32 seconds the extended version is added, right? Similarly you can do outro, you can add intro and keep on extending it, right? Depending upon your time length. Okay, this was it for part 2. In next part we'll see how to pass our lyrics and generate a song, right? Thank you very much for watching.